Smoked him. Freaking smoked him. Smoked him. Freaking smoked him. We have just arrived to Colorado. Guys, we drew this tag with 0 points. We found a trailhead. We just did some research on OnX, found a trailhead. We're gonna hike into this thing. Freaking smoked him. Okay, so it is opening evening. Trevor and I are doing something elk hunting wise we've never done before. We're going to sit in a tree stand. Never done this, but Trevor and I have put our time in this summer, and we've done a lot of preseason scouting, and we got some permission, which is awesome, to be able to hunt this area where we could put some stands and ground blinds in, and so we're gonna sit this stand tonight. Congrats to Bo with his 5-point this morning. You know, it was freaking awesome. So that was old school. We were running and gunning, but Trevor and I are gonna do something different. Hopefully it pays off.
Old school, a little new school.
Just a
blast from the past kind of day, and something new adventures.
Something definitely new, fun.
Yeah,
we'll see what happens. Hopefully one walks under us.
But we are back where it all began.
We started filming uncuts for Land of the Free 8 years ago, right here in this very barn. After Land of the Free won, we wanted to give back to each and every one of you guys and give a chance for you guys to experience some of the stuff that we've gotten to do.
And we did a bear hunt every single year.
This year, we decided to go bigger.
We're giving you guys what you've always wanted.
So that's right, this year,
One of you are going elk hunting with us.
we're taking one lucky winner to come in our backyard and kill one of these suckers. And by that I mean one of these.
Dream bigger, dream bigger, dream
The trophy is in the eye of the beholder.
Dream bigger.
So here's how you win.
So the rules are simple.
Even Trent can understand it.
So can Noah. November 24th to December 15th, every dollar you spend gets one entry to winning a Roosevelt Elk Hunt with us, 2026 Land of the Free.
Just remember, keep your standards low. Anything legal.
November 24th to December 15th. Best of luck to each and every one of you guys. Merry Christmas.
I'm carrying a stick, they call it, and a knee brace. I'm wearing a tree saddle, so we a lot of new terminology, but we got elk tracks. We're gonna sit over this big. Ooh, that's fresh. We're gonna sit over this big pasture in the bottom. That elk bed up in the timber. Come down and feed in the evenings. So we're hoping the wind's right. See if we can get one.
Trevor and I just got in the stand. I'm actually shocked we made it here with his no hands on the steering wheel driving through town while he was trying to learn how to glunk on his bugle tube, which was horrific. But we made it. So now we're doing a first. I've never sat in my entire life of elk hunting. Have I sat a tree stand for elk? But Trevor and I put a lot of time in this summer. We got permission to hunt some property, which is awesome. So we decided to kind of slow play it this year and just sit and be patient the best that we can. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. It could be a good evening. The wind's perfect. It's like perfect night. So bed to the north of us, or kind of like to the northwest. But we'll see what happens. It could be fun. right spot. Got one. Pop, like a stick break. Sounded heavy. It's just back behind us. Let's see.
Hey guys, we have a new turkey call coming out. Let me show you. Please excuse me. I'll show you how to use it.
Terrible latex. Not quite. It takes more practice than that.
If you have a piece of grass, maybe a stick, or like a slice of fern, and you have bow with you, you could probably call in like a 320 bull, a flock of quail, and a zebra.
I mean, they could come up over there. I think they would come up through here. I don't know. We had a herd yesterday morning. They came up into this bottom, so we decided to come down here and just do some cold calling. And we're pretty sure that there's a herd bull with the cows, but we're just gonna see if we can find them this afternoon. They got to be in here somewhere. It's a little windy this afternoon, so up high it's hard to hear. So we dropped down into this low saddle to see if we can maybe get something going or get something to come in silent. There's a bunch of satellite bulls too, so we'll see what happens. That wind's too swirly. Well, that didn't last long. The wind's really swirly in this bench, so we're gonna back out of here and either pick a different ridge or go check some other spots, try to locate. If the wind would die down, we could hear better from up higher, but we'll just keep picking spots apart till we can hopefully find something. There was a fresh bed near. Like I said, though, I don't want to blow them out.
Dude, yeah,
we're in the blast radius for sure. Ago. So we're just working our way along this bottom. We finally got the wind to be holding steady. And we're working our way side hill and across this bottom, just trying to figure out, hopefully, maybe where the herd is. Trevor's back there doing some new rattling techniques. I'll crap if it works. But we have herd bulls fighting. So, well, I guess anything's better than doing nothing.
We can't find these elk. We thought we had them pegged, and we don't. So that's neat. It's only the second day of season. We've tried the slow play game today, and it's not panning out. So now we're gonna do wrecking ball. Kind of didn't take us long, did it? We're gonna slow play. We're gonna slow wrecking.
Yeah, they're right up. They're like in the perfect spot. Did he squeal?
Yeah, a bunch of the cows. They're right up, right where that little cut is, and the trees up top.
Yeah, they're up over there.
Are you able to see them?
No, you can just hear them up on top. Like the cows are up on top.
There's a cat road that goes right to them right here. Yeah. Slip up this cat road like 150 yards, and there's a little flat unit that they like to feed in. I think they're in the unit, kind of up on the left, right where the unit kind of sucks up high.
I think it was probably either a bear or the tail end of the herd. Never can be too careful. No. I wonder if we should move up slow. I wonder if this trail kind of cuts back up to the corner so we don't lose our elevation. Yeah. I still haven't seen rattling work, dude. I know, dude. That's it. Are you a non-believer? As of now, yes. Okay. Yeah. I have to see to believe. I do too. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Do you think we should sit that wall out tonight right there? Dude, I don't know. I don't know. This looks freaking hammered. I mean, absolutely torched. It makes sense. They're coming out into a meadow. Just like a whitetail or just like a blacktail or any of it. They sit here, they can see, and they wait until it gets right at dark so they can book it out into the field. Yeah, let's go back out to the end of the cat road.
Welcome to Oregon. Like you You can't penetrate that mass. Berry briars. Ow. Steve, we gotta go to the left. We're like 150 yards from the elk. Come on, baby. Hit that like button. We got this, Steve.
It's blowing hard enough up the valley.
I bet it is.
You think it is?
Remember when we were on the tree line?
Oh, it was blowing like crazy.
Ripping right on the edge. We'll just
Only one way to find out.
take your time.
This could get western real
Get your
quick.
rangefinder ready.
Oh yeah, I'll have that pouch open. Where they at? Right there. Oh, there he is right there. Can you scoot up? He's going up the cat road. Okay. I think he went out in the field.
We're gonna try to get up on this mound and tree stand these bulls.
Our bull's 100. To range him out in the field. I'm gonna have to range him when they get range a couple spots. Back that way. Back that way. Right here, right here.
that was a perfect shot. He's got to be dead. He's right here. Which one is he? He's in front. Wait, it's going down. He's going down, baby. He's down. He's down. He's down. Yes, we did it. Get that. 60 yards, dude. 60 yards. Freaking pinwheeled that dude.
Slammed him.
Shooting all day today. Dude, I just got freaking jacked. Dude, that shot felt so freaking good.
He's dead.
Oh, dude, I pinwheeled him. I mean, hard. Guess what, buddy? We got us a bull.
Protect down.
I can't believe we pulled that off. I'm like, he was the one that was broadside. I ranged him, 60 fat.
That was perfect.
Oh, dude.
Dude, you did so good, Steve.
You're like, dude, all day today at noon,
Well,
I was just settling. And then I was like, okay, focus on your release. And dude, and you're like, push. Dude, I was pushing and pulling and it just fired. And I saw that arrow just.
Well, I remember you told me that like the only time you ever have trouble
is when I'm not.
Drop your shoulder.
Yeah, when I'm not
So
pulling
I was
through.
just like, I'm going to remind you in the moment. And you,
Buddy.
was like a clinic.
We freaking did it. I can't believe it. I can't believe we just
Oh my gosh. We're tagged out.
We did it, guys.
We are in a field hunting elk on private land, and I am jacked up right now.
Yeah.
We got permission from this landowner. We've put in a lot of time with, you know, all they've.
I mean, dude, we've done so much this summer that I don't care if you're on. I don't give a crap what anybody says. I don't care if you're on public or private. If you have permission, you take full advantage of it and do everything you can to pattern elk, figure them out.
And just to be successful to get some meat in the freezer.
Yeah, that's what it's all about in the end. And we just did it. I mean, see ya. I smoked that dude. Just freaking 12 ringed him.
It's perfect.
I was like, oh, wouldn't it be cool if we climbed up on this freaking knob and shot something? And we just did.
We were just high enough, the wind at our backs. It was just going over. They were sniffing and going, I don't like something.
That's why I arranged the broadside one.
Because that one.
Because the one was quartering and
was
he
gonna
was,
burger
yeah.
out.
So as soon as he kind of turned, I just.
How many elk can you spook in one day?
We spooked every freaking elk we got.
You have blood on your hands.
Yeah, we know you shot one.
No, I looked at the bears.
Drivers right up there.
I got your text.
We're tagged out, baby. We're tagged out. Dude, that was. I slammed that dude at 60. One of the freaking 4 bulls.
He's dead. That's awesome. Good job,
Guess
guys.
where I shot from? Jupiter's knob right there. Snuck up on the knob, and the 4 bulls came out.
Yeah.
Trevor started calling. They started coming, and then they circled back, so we snuck
We
back
watched
around up
all
on top of
that.
the.
Did you see him tip over?
We didn't see him tip over. We didn't see the shot. We saw him like they
We
the
were
cow
sneaking
called
up
this.
and
We were running
around.
up here to like, oh, maybe we'll get.
We were going up and around to try and get down to this corner.
Oh.
For when you guys inevitably spooked the whole herd. I'm sorry. There's a dead bull right there if you look through your
Just
SIGs.
down there in the field. Dude, I 12 ringed him. 60 yards fat.
60
yards.
yards.
Yeah.
Slammed him.
Oh, just 12 ringed him. I mean, I had all the time in the world, just threw back.
Really?
Settled, just pull, and when that bow fired, dude, it was just like 12 ring.